how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a Spider-Man with a confused expression. I might do a few more of these if you like the Spider-Man expression videos. Definitely hit that like so it lets me know what to post. Or you can also just comment and say, hey, I want more of these. But it's an 8-minute video. It's really simple. If you're a beginner and you don't know how to draw, this is perfect for you. And that's it. I'm just going to walk you through it, okay? It's going to be 8 minutes, like I said, so stay till the end. All right, let's get started. First thing I'm going to do. Ooh, also, before that, if you like learning how to draw anything, like I'm going to go over video games, movies, all kinds of characters, the classics and new, everything. If you like that stuff and you liked it contained in these short videos, please hit that subscribe button and then click that bell notification so it actually lets you know when I post. So, all right, let's get started, okay? First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the top of his head, and top of the head is going to be just like this kind of curved line, almost like you're drawing like maybe like the top of an egg or something, or a potato. Probably an egg has a bit of a point. All right, I'm going to draw a straight line down the left side here. Straight line down the right side. Whoops, daisy. Oops, daisy. Make it about even. Gonna go down to the chin here. Go down the same thing over here. Pull down to the chin, and then just kind of finish that off over here. Okay. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna mark out the center of the eyes. They're gonna be toward the the middle of the head, maybe lower middle. His eyes are really huge. And I'm going to put these two dots there so I don't have to I don't run into them, or I know they're about even as far as the center goes. So I'm going to draw right here, go up, curve in, all the way up there. And that's going to pull down over here to curve. And it's going to pull up over here. It's going to scoop up. All right. Hopefully you're doing pretty good. And now this side is going to be smaller. Pull out. Still going to have that upward turn because that's in the design. Go over here, pull out, and up. So before we continue, what I want to do is I want to make these lines thicker. This line's pretty thick. But I'm going to make this line a little thicker because I want that in the design. That is in Spider-Man's design. Many of his designs is really thick line for the eye. Like so. Curving in here. Alrighty, just like there, just kind of making it a little bit thicker. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side, just a bit though, because I already kind of made this line pretty thick-ish. Right, a lot of it is also kind of cleaning that up. Kind of maybe something like that. That could work. I'm going to make that a little bit thicker, just a tiny bit, tiny bit. Right on. Alright, so now to the center, I'm going to draw that little oh, I forgot actually. I got to draw the neck. So I got to draw a straight line down. Down here. Right over here for the trapezius. What you could do is actually draw like a line over here for the top of the chest. Right here, just a curved line here. It looks like Deadpool right now, right? But it's not. Let's draw a little bit of the shoulder there, nothing too wild. So let's go to the center, and the way I like doing the center is I think of it as a little explosion shape. Right at the center. And whatever shape comes from there, I'm going to pull these lines outward, right on this edges. Over here. And these lines are going to continue over here, right? They're going to radiate from that center area. Oh man, there needs to be another one right there, but there ain't no little explosion. I'm going to have to make one. And there's no particular number of these you have to follow. Just kind of generally find it. So I'm also going to draw a straight line down here. Maybe down the middle here. Down here as well. And keep in mind, these lines are going to be a little bit thinner than the outer lines, keeping them in, because these are still under the guise of detail, right? Since these are still detail, they are going to be thinner than the lines containing them. Start over here. We're drawing that inward web shape. Right on. And we're just going to kind of keep drawing that, right? You space it out. There's no number of these, again, as well. You're just kind of using your judgment. And then down here, you can do the same thing from each line. Or you can just straight up draw a straight line across. That works as well. It's kind of a, like, it's up to you sort of thing. Like, it's a style thing. The cool part is you can just draw this checkered pattern on most of his body, on Spider-Man's body, and it'll be fine. Anyways, that is it. That is a surprised Spider-Man. Hope, surprise expression. If you like that, don't forget to hit the like button and click the bell notification. Let me draw like a little bit of a thicker line here at the bottom here, just to kind of look like there's some shadow. Hit that like button. That always helps. You can also share this with a friend that you think like Spider-Man, would like to draw them easily. Or if you really want to help the channel, you can share the video somewhere. Share it on Twitter, share it on Facebook, share it anywhere that you go, Reddit, and it helps the algorithm to the channel as well. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. Do me a huge favor and say hi to me if you're listening to my voice right now, and I will know that you got this far, and I'll reply to every single comment, okay? When you're drawing, keep it easy. I'll see you soon, all right?